When a request has been added, it will need to be approved. You can do this on the map screen or the request screen. In this example, we will approve the request on the map screen. Locate and click on the request to approve. You can see the details appear for the selected request to the right. Select the status and then select Approve. This will take the request to the next stage, and this depends on what has been set up for the workflow in the global settings area. In this example, the next stage is the estimate stage. Click the status and select Approve. The next stage is the final approval stage. This is the final stage. Click the status and select Approve. When the request has been approved, you will notice that a scaffold and activity has been created and are linked to the request. We can also see the scaffold and activity number. Make a note of the scaffold number, as we will need this later. You can select the scaffold number to access the scaffold details screen and build the scaffold from there. You can also build the scaffold from the scaffold screen, or you can build a scaffold on the map screen. Change the map view to scaffolds. Locate and click on the scaffold to build. When the details appear on the right, select Awaiting Build and click Begin Build. Add information to the activity if required and click OK. The scaffold will change status to Build in Progress. Click on the status and select Complete Build. Add information to the activity if required and click OK. The scaffold will be in the standing status. You can also configure the settings so that any erected scaffold can be inspected or handed over.